This is the I Love Peace microwavable ramen bowl with lid. The company sent this to me so I could check it out. I just took it out of the packaging, and so far it's very impressive. It's got a really nice color to it. The bottom here is black. The top here on the lid is red. It's got this plastic area right here that opens up to let the steam out here. Just a really cool item here. So when you look at the bottom here, it does have this skid ring on here, so it's not going to be moving around too much. And the top here, the lid, it definitely has a nice seal on here. So when you open it up, you can see here it's got this O-ring right here to make sure none of the liquids or anything inside spill. Inside here, you have it's like a spoon fork sport type item here, and it's just made really nice. You can see it's pretty heavy duty. Right inside here, under the lid, you got 4 metal chopsticks. So it's 2 chopsticks that are just going to go together for full-size chopsticks. I'll show you how they just screw right in, just like this. Go together really quickly. Got one together. And then they just slide back in. Once you're done with them, you clean them, put them back in there for next time. You can see here, you got full-size chopsticks. Really nice items here. And then you got the spork. And then inside here, you could fit, this is 7.2 inches by 3.7 inches. So this will fit 2 packs of ramen in here. Or you could put other items in here as well and keep it hot and everything like that. This is microwave safe, freezer safe, and dishwasher safe. So you could run this through the dishwasher, BPA free. Just a really great item here. And again, the lid here, you're gonna be able to put this on here and store your food up in here, and it's gonna stay where it's not gonna like leak out of here, and it's gonna be it's gonna stay warm. So definitely wanna check this out if you're looking for something for on the go. This would be great if you do outdoor activities like camping and things like that. You could bring this on the go. It's also got this area here where you could hold it nicely. So if you're eating out of here, you could just hold it while you're eating. So it's not gonna be moving around very much. But again, this is 7.2 inches by 3.7 inches tall. So you could fit a really nice sized meal in here. So you definitely want to check this out. It's the I Love Peace microwavable ramen bowl with lid.